My name is Vanessa Boylan. My family comes from Howzit and mixed European descent. I've been with NITHWA for probably over 6 years as a family support worker, and I slowly evolved my position into doing more cultural programming for the kids that are part of our organization, doing camps, pro D-days, paddleboarding clubs, and one of the things that we got to do was be part of the building of this beautiful canoe here, and I brought some kids up to Nit-Nat to go do the blessing of the log, and before she became the canoe, and it was really nice to kind of bring the kids up throughout the last year so that they can be a part of the canoe in terms of digging it out, hollowing it out, bringing it into Luke's shop. Oh, that was an amazing journey. The kids are so strong and put up so much energy, and it'll be nice to see the youth actually on the canoe, and we're hoping to be part of travel journeys this year and future years, and just bringing the kids out on the water and getting them out on the land and just getting them out there, getting experience with their own culture and just being part of the canoe family and just watching it grow. So it's been lovely seeing this beautiful tree evolve to what it is today, and I'm just so excited to have the kids be part of that and just be a part of orchestrating that for them so they could be a part of it.